Today I'm going to show you how to use the correct amount of product for your property. The product labels come in handy for this. All companies publish application rates on their labels. For instance, Max Insect states that you need to apply 32 ounces of product per 32,000 square feet every 4 to 6 weeks, or 1 ounce per thousand. My property has about 10,000 square feet, so I want to add 10 ounces to my tank. Fertimax Starter states that you need to apply 1 pound of fertilizer for every 2,000 square feet every 4 to 6 weeks. Since my property has 10,000 square feet of landscape, I want to add 5 pounds of fertilizer to my tank. I will need a tank that can hold that much capacity. This chart here can be found on our website, and it shows all the tanks with each of their capacities. If I use the slow feed setting, this will disperse product over a 4 to 6 week period. You can combine multiple products inside your tank at one time, but you'll want to make sure first that the substances are compatible.